Good afternoon, Miss Meenakshi.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Yes, I'm also exceptionally well. Thank you for asking, ma'am.
That's so beautiful of you. That's so beautiful. Okay, so Miss Meenakshi, before we begin the session, would you like to tell me where you are connecting with me from?
Yes, sure. Why not? So, my name is Meenakshi and I'm from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar.
Hmm.
And as for my education, I have completed my master's degree. So, these days, I am a proud mother of one daughter and I am a teacher also. I teach beginners.
Okay,
Yes,
so
now you're
I
right.
think there was some connection issue, so I could not hear you from simultaneously. Could you please repeat that once?
Okay, simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel by the
Okay.
name of Meenakshi English Vibes.
Mm-hmm.
So, yes, my hobbies are learning new skills and expanding my knowledge day by day. So, that's why I am just working on my own communication skills to become a more proficient in this language. That's a
Okay.
nutshell introduction from my side.
Right. That's lovely. That's lovely. And you communicate really well. I'm so impressed to see your communication skills. I can
Okay,
assure that I can already say that you're working really hard on your skills. That's lovely. Congratulations. Okay.
thank you. Thank you.
So, most welcome. Yeah. So, when it comes to your current status, what would you like to call it? Is it like, would you like to call yourself an entrepreneur or something else, or a homemaker, or what would you like to call yourself?
Though I have all the fingers in the pie, I am a housewife. I have a daughter. I look after her, and I don't have a large number of students, but still I teach only 3 or 4 students. So yes, still I consider myself as a housewife and job. Like I do a part-time job. I consider it.
Okay, okay. And when it comes to improving your communication, what would you like to focus on primarily? Is it daily conversation, speaking confidently, personal growth, or some other reason?
These days I am working on my pronunciation part. Though I have MTI, like MTI always dominant in my English. So for
Mhm.
that reason, I'm just working on that. I'm not too much serious, but I think I should be more serious about it. The reason behind that, now I have an intermediate level. I can say I can speak. So like I also teach students. For that purpose, it should be more clarity in my speaking. So for that purpose I am working on my pronunciation as well,
Right.
whereas I also accumulate some new vocabularies like everyday life. But I think like vocabularies or idioms, it's a never ending process,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So
yes.
if you have clarity in your speaking, in your pronunciation, so that but whatever you speak, though it's a basic English or advanced one, but still if you have clarity in your speaking, so anyone can understand you easily. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm working on my pronunciation part, so that it could be more impressive for me and for others as well.
Yes, that's lovely. You do have clarity in your mind about all the things that you want to achieve. So
Hmm.
that's lovely. That's lovely. And you said that you're from Punjab, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, you're from Punjab. That's lovely. Okay. So, Ms. Meenakshi, since you are already so efficient in your English, I would like to know from you what would you like to discuss in today's session?
The bowling is in your court.
The ball
Whatever.
is in. Okay, okay, okay. But I
Yeah.
put the ball in your court today. Okay.
Okay. The today's topic is also interesting.
Interesting, right? So it's about real and real heroes. Okay. Okay. So what are your thoughts on this? First of all, tell me, are you someone, since you have a daughter at home, so are you someone who watches a lot of cartoon and TV shows with her? Because my mother used to watch a lot with me.
Okay, actually, ma'am, what happened at my home? Even I am not a movie buff or I'm not a couch potato. For that reason, we don't have TV at our home.
Okay.
So for to teach students, I purchased my desktop just few months back. So now my daughter started watching some stories, Hindi stories, right? Because I don't want to put her in cartoons and anything else. So I believe whatever you teach them, guide them, they try to tend themselves. So I think if she interested, she take an interest in motivational stories,
Yes.
so I can't neglect her. So every day she watches only 10 or 15 minutes, only a motivational story on desktop only,
Yes.
no anything else. And in my mobile phone, she watches like YT Kids. I think you know about it.
Yes.
Where a mother and two children are there, and whenever the children make any kind of mistake, so mother always understand them, explain them, so she also learns. And since ma'am she started watching this, I don't know how her behavior has been also changed a lot. And before that she used to only scroll the mobile phone, like I wasn't aware that what I was giving to my daughter, I was just giving the poison to her, even I wasn't aware. But one day I was watching a video where I realized that YouTube is not meant for children. At
Yes.
least 15, till the age of 15 years we should not give them mobile phone, like YouTube is not meant for them. So then I told her that government had banned to YouTube for children, so you could not watch any kind of content in YouTube. Now you should watch only now you could watch only YT Kids. So since then her behavior has been changing, and now she understands and she behaves very calmly, kindly, and whenever she makes any kind of mistake, she instantly says, Mama, sorry, I did this, I did that. So I really like, I think this kind of things also impact to our children. So what kind of content they are watching, what kind of content they are observing. So mobile phone, TV, desktop, these all things are also impact on them too much.
Right. Have an impact on them too much, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. Yes, you have pointed out very rightly, and the way you explained the entire thing, it felt like I just felt like I should keep on listening to you only, and I should not be speaking, right? Yes. So yes, you are absolutely right, and I absolutely agree with you 100% that whatever, not just they, not just children, even us, even if it's for the same for us, whatever we watch that has an impact on us. Social media and all these things, they do have a huge, huge impact on us.
Right, ma'am, exactly. And scrolling, whenever we even scroll the videos constantly, we always tend to, aggressive. Like our nature is also be a grumpy, pissed off. We want everything instantly. We can't wait even on the traffic lights. We
Yes,
need everything instantly. Okay, I can't wait. I can't wait for food. I can't wait for anything. The reason behind that, because we are just tend to watch unnecessary content. It's an excessive consumption of this
yes,
thing. So
yes,
that is the main reason according to me. So if we people are adults are taking, what should I say, like if we can't control our emotion, we can't bottle up our emotion, so how we can expect from our children?
yes,
They
absolutely,
are very young till this
absolutely,
age.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
I again agree with everything that you are saying because a few days ago I was watching these manifestation content on YouTube, and there a coach was saying that we become whatever we consume, and
Hmm.
whatever we consume highly shapes our thoughts, and in turn that shapes our reality. So yes,
Exactly.
so yes,
Exactly.
we have to be extremely aware of what we are consuming.
Right, ma'am.
Right.
Exactly.
Yes, absolutely. And it's so refreshing to see that you as a mother, you have become aware, and that is the way you are treating your child. So
I
yes,
don't know, ma'am, that I am on the right track or not, but I'm really very much obsessed towards my daughter. I always try to keep her under my supervision. What she does, where she is, with whom she's talking. I always try to eavesdropping. Whenever she talks to someone, I always try to listen to her. Because now she's too young. I know when she reached the age of 10 or 15, I can't interrupt her. I can't interrupt her over trivial matters, but still now she's very young, so it's a my responsibility, my accountability, that I should follow her each and every moment. And even what happened today itself, she was saying, mama, I need 2 packets, right? But I told her, you, if you wanted to go to school, you can, otherwise you could not, otherwise you could stay at home, no problem. I didn't have any kind of problem. She started crying, she started screaming, but I was ignoring her. But after 10 to 15 minutes, she said, mama, okay, please provided me only 1 packet. But if I fulfilled her wish, she started saying, okay, whenever I started crying, my mama always fulfill my wish. So for that reason, I am really obsessed. Whenever she starts crying, I always neglect her. I always turn a blind eye over her.
Right, right, right. Absolutely. Yes, you are right. We should not give in to everything that children ask for, and that is very harmful for them.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, and they will start taking things for granted always.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
yes. So you said that you have your own YouTube channel, which is based on English, right?
Right.
So when did this idea come to you, and how did this come to you?
Okay, it was since so long that I wanted to start my own YouTube channel, but I didn't have the audacity to start my own YouTube channel. The reason behind that, I was not a confident speaker, I was not able to express my ideas thoroughly. So, but 6 or 7 months back, I had a first conversation with Rajni Verma. She's also a famous YouTuber. So I had a words with her where I, watched my own video. It was my
Mhm.
first video with her. When I saw, I thought, okay, there were many people who started their journey like me. Like once they started like as a beginner, but one day they become as a brilliant, they become a very fluent speaker in this language. So 7 months ago, I started my own YouTube channel. I started posting some videos related to vocabulary, idioms. I try to explain things. Then I stumbled upon the video of Englishary, where I saw that okay, here are many tutors. They are teaching us, guiding us wisely. Where I can work on my communication skills more. Where I am lacking, in
Mhm.
where areas I need improvement. So
Mhm.
then I took the subscription from Englishary. Then I started posting the same videos on my channel. So yes, so I started my journey 7 months ago. Now I took the subscription again, like it's a second time. But I my first subscription has completed 4 months ago. Then I took the subscription again after 4 months.
Okay.
So it's my, yes, second time I took the subscription. So nowadays, when whatever I learn, I try to upload on my channel. The same video I upload on my channel.
Okay. Right. Right. That's lovely. So, yes, you are confident enough to open your own YouTube channel. You have been confident enough, I'd rather say, because I asked you this question because it's been quite a few months since I have also been planning to open my own YouTube channel based on my own niche. However, I am not being able to gather the courage. But you also said that people were beginners at a point of time, and now they have come a long way and they are doing well. So
Right.
yes, I also need some confidence to start my own YouTube channel because I would love to do that. That is something. Content creation is something which I really love. However, I have not been, as I said, not been courageous enough to do it still.
But ma'am, as you are a tutor, like I had a conversation with one another tutor. I guess Pallavi ma'am. She's also a English Shari tutor. She has also a YouTube channel. I told her also that ma'am, as you people are tutor, you can make us understand wisely, right? On which area we should like a grammatically mistakes. We people are tend to grammatically mistakes. So how we can improve our grammar in a easy way, right? How many vocabularies we can learn in a week. So there are many things that only tutor can teach us. So if you have channel, we watch you people channel, so I think we can learn a lot from your videos, so you should start.
Right, right, right. Yes. Thank you so much for boosting my courage, you know. I feel so good to talk to you because first of all you're a very good speaker, I must say that. And secondly, your words are so wise and so empowering that I just feel like after my sessions are over, I'll just start my YouTube channel.
Right, ma'am. You don't need to overthink. The people, who overthinks a lot, I don't think so. They reach their destination. But once the first step is always difficult for everyone. It was
Yes.
difficult for me when I started my own YouTube channel. I used to wake up late night. I used to, wake up late night. Like I didn't know how to, create a caption, how to make a thumbnail. It was very difficult. But now it's a piece of cake for me, right? Though it's a difficult, it takes time, but at least I know that now it became a part and parcel of my life. I have to do like a job. If a
Yes.
person is doing job or working somewhere, they have to go, no
Yes.
matter in what condition they are, but still they have to go.
Yes.
So similarly, the YouTube channel or content creation is the same like that.
Yes, 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 absolutely. Since you pointed out that, would you mind if I ask you something related to YouTube and content creation?
Sure, ma'am, no
Because we
problem.
are not really discussing our session topic and we are discussing something else,
No
absolutely.
problem.
Okay, okay. So, since you said that it's more like a job, so how much time do I have to spend for my YouTube channel, do you think?
Ma'am, like initial days, it took a lot of time for me. I don't know, like some people have elephant memory, some people have goldfish memory. So I don't consider myself as a quick-witted person, not a highly intellectual. Everything takes time for me because first I try to understand each and everything wisely or deeply. So initial days it was very difficult for me, but now I saw that there are many people who took the help of chat gpt to create the thumbnail. So whatever the content you are creating, you just send your picture to chat gpt that gives me the thumbnail of this content. So she
Okay,
provides, chat gpt provides you the same like content of whatever the thumbnail you want to create for your video, right? And caption and description, whatever you want to write as a caption, you can just give up your thoughts and you can take the refresh. As you are a tutor, you know everything, right? How to create the caption. For us it's a quite difficult, but for you it's a very easy, right? So apart from that description, it's a very little things, and for editing part you can take the help of vn. In short, there are many other applications you can take help for, and it's a but over time I think it's a very easy for you. It will become a very easy for you.
okay, okay, right,
Yes.
right, right. Okay. So, where do you get your content ideas from? Is it like you are always thinking, you're always generating ideas in your mind?
Right, right, ma'am. Actually, I always took help. Means so far, I even these days I always take help from Chat GPT.
Right.
Though I visited some acquaintances of
Mm-hmm.
my family, but they guided me superficially, not
Okay.
in depth. So that's why I thought I should, bite the bullet. So I tried to learn on my own while taking help of chat gpt. So far I'm not a good content creator so far, but I am trying to work more and more. So I think if I compare my first video to my last video, so there is a huge difference. So
Right. Right.
over the period of time it will be more clarity in my videos.
There will be more clarity.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Right,
Yeah.
right, right. Absolutely. And also, would you mind telling me that does it take a lot of time to gain views from people?
I think it's more depend on your destiny. For me, I started my own YouTube channel 7 months back, but still I don't have too much subscribers. But there are some other people who started their channel just few months or just 1 month back, but now they have good subscribers, good views. I guess it also depends on your content as well. right? What kind of content you are posting. And so they both are go hand in hand, your destiny and your content, they both go hand in hand.
Yes, absolutely. Right,
Yes.
right, right. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so by the end of this year, where would you see yourself as a YouTuber?
As a YouTuber, ma'am, I believe that I am learning a lot. Like now, even yesterday, I was not yesterday, just few days back, I was not well. But I know that I had to take my session. So for that purpose, I just woke up and took my session. After that, I felt refreshed, and I felt that okay, now I was feeling very well. Okay, so it's a hybrid approach. Like even I am associated with some groups as well, women groups, where I can speak, where I can work on my communication skills. I don't need such expensive platforms, but still I am taking sessions. The reason behind that, to dedicate to this journey, to be disciplined and to be focused, right? I know, I being a human, we people always procrastinate the things, right? So now I am taking session, the same I am uploading on my channel, right? So now I know, though we came back from, we returned from Karnal yesterday. Actually, I was I we went to our native place, in law's place. So I went. So today I am extremely tired, exhausted, but still I am taking my session. The reason behind that, the same video I have to upload on my channel, right? So if I say that, okay, for my YouTube, though I am not getting good views, good
Mhm.
subscribers on my channel, but I can see my own growth,
Yes,
right? If I
absolutely.
watch my video 6 months back, and if I watch my video after 6 months, I can see the significant changes in my own personality, on communication. Whatever I learn, whatever I gain from my tutors, new vocabulary, idioms, am I able to use those vocabularies, whatever the tutor is saying me, the tutor is giving me feedback, I am applying the same thing on me or not? So yes, everything takes time, I know, but I don't take serious a lot, to YouTube, because I know there are many people who are becoming a content creator these days, right? Some of them, they already got the success, they had good views, good subscribers, now they become a role model of someone. But I am a new one here on
Yes,
YouTube, so it will take time, no matter how soon, but how much it will, but sooner or later I will definitely can see my growth,
yes,
right? So if now, if a person is beginner, they want to improve their communication skills, they can watch my video, I can guide them, they can see where I was, right? 2 years back, and now they can compare themselves for me. Okay, if we
yes,
start our learning journey today, we can also take a growth after 1 year, 2 year, how much passionate they are.
yes,
For them, I guess they can take the inspiration for us.
yes, yes, absolutely. Okay, so